What is up, guys? Video 2 for the garage build. This one I'm just going to tidy up some of those wires. I'm probably going to go around and finish some insulation. You probably don't want to see that. You already saw the insulation. So I'm going to finish that little bit up. Going to get some sheetrock, get that corner over there sheetrocked, and then start the bench build. If you guys have any ideas, drop them down in the comments below. Really like to hear what your ideas are. Cool things we can do with this shop. It's kind of a blank canvas now. We have got these joints in this wall, first coat done. We got all the screw holes filled in those two. Still got all these joints to go. Also still have to do the corner, but it's a good stopping point for tonight. We've got the second coat on this wall, first coat done on that. Still got to do all of the top. I won't bore you with that. I'm going to go ahead and go through and finish all this up, and you'll see jump ahead to building the bench.